Trump administration has fallen far behind its initial pledge to vaccinate 20 million Americans by the end of 2020. As KPIX 5's Betty Yu reports, some are suggesting actually delaying the second dose, and Betty explains.
Brian, distributing vaccine doses is one thing, administering them is another. A number of mistakes and problems have plagued this rollout, so tonight there's new debate over delaying that second dose to speed up access. The vaccine rollout is millions of doses short. The Trump administration promised 20 million doses would be given by the end of 2020. But the CDC says just over 4 million people have gotten the shot.
There are vaccines sitting around. It's not like we don't have the shots in the U.S. We just don't have the well-oiled machinery to administer those shots.
UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin-Hong says there are a variety of factors at play, including a lack of cold storage space and manpower. States also need more money from the federal government to support distribution. Former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb spoke on Face the Nation.
We were hoping that we'd have more injections in people's arms at this point, and the vaccine could be starting to have an impact on the trajectory of the epidemic.
The UK has delayed the second doses of the Pfizer vaccine in order to reach more people with initial doses. That strategy has prompted debate here in the U.S.
So the choices are vaccinate a few really well or vaccinate the whole population kind of well. You know, my preference is really to go for the science first because I'm not really sure if delaying the vaccine will result in the same efficacy in some people in their population.
Meanwhile, tonight, airports are packed. The TSA says it screened more than 14 million travelers in the last 2 weeks. Dr. Chin-Hong says there is another option up for debate right now, giving half doses of the Moderna vaccine to people between 18 and 55 to accelerate the rollout. Juliet?